Hey everybody, Rob Lavigne here with a little behind the scenes of a project that I'm working on. And I'm actually going to be using the new Generative Fill that is part of the Adobe Shop beta program. So what you have here is a blank canvas. And what I've actually done is I've gone to Dolly, which is an image generative tool on the internet. And I had it generated an image of a planet. Now this is about 1,000 by 1,000. And what I've done is I've made the canvas size larger than the image that got generated, because I want to have something that's more than 1,000 by 1,000 pixels, right? So what I've then done is I ran a prompt that then allowed me to expand that image. And if you take a look at the base image and the expansion, you can see that the original image is there and everything else was generated via a prompt. Okay. And then I decided that I would select the planet and I would change what the space behind the planet would be. So that brings us to the next one. And that was one of the generations that it created. And I was like, that's not bad, but it actually gives you a few options. So if you take a look at some of the other options, we have this one here, which is kind of cool, nice glow on the planet. And if you want something really extreme, there's this one here. Now, what you then are able to do, and this one I'm actually going to do live, is I'm actually then going to draw an outline. Just a simple outline on that. And I'm going to go into the prompt and I'm going to go Starship, and I'm going to hit enter. Nothing fancy. I didn't put a complicated prompt. I literally just put Starship. So it's going to take a few seconds to generate the prompt, which is, not bad actually, considering what it's doing behind the scenes and the fact that this is, a new beta tool. I didn't expect it to be super fast, but it's actually decently fast. So give it a second here. You can see now why I did the other one not live. But there it is. There's the first spaceship, and it drew it in the circle that I did. And it gives me a couple of options. There's another spaceship. And then there's another spaceship there, right? So you can then decide which layer you want. So if we go back to the original model, all of that started off bit by bit to that. So it started with a generative Dolly 1,000 by 1,000 image. I then expanded that. I changed the background of space. And then I introduced a spaceship over that. And now this is a 5,000 by 5,000 image. So this is quite a large image with a lot of resolution, right? So you can zoom into that and really have some fun with it. So there you go. That's a brief preview of the new Generative Fill feature that comes with the Adobe Photoshop beta, soon to be available to everybody, I guess, in time. So there you go. Take care, everybody. Bye.